The Interstellar Academy's Xenobiology Hall was one of the largest lecture chambers on campus, equipped with holographic displays, floating data boards, and containment fields strong enough to restrain most apex predators from half the known galaxy. Today's topic was Deathworld ecosystems and their predatory hierarchies, a subject both feared and revered by alien cadets. The instructor, a tall, crystalline Ethrin named Professor Vrail, projected an image of a towering beast from Earth, massive teeth, forward-facing eyes, and a build designed for relentless pursuit. The alien students shivered as the hologram rotated. "These," Vrail said in his resonant voice, "are predators from Deathworld Class 5, Earth. They exhibit abnormal endurance, aggression potential, and unpredictability. Their species evolved under conditions that would annihilate most sapient lifeforms." A wave of murmurs spread through the class. Notes were taken with trembling tendrils and tapping claws. Vrail continued, "And perhaps most concerning of all, is the apex predator that roams freely among them." He tapped a command. The hologram shifted to the silhouette of a human, just a simple outline of a lean biped with unremarkable features. The classroom went silent. "This creature," Vrail said, "is responsible for more ecological disruption, competitive dominance, and predatory adaptation than any other organism on Earth. It is cunning, tool-making, endurance-driven, and capable of killing far larger animals through sheer persistence and strategy." At the far corner of the classroom, a young human cadet named Marcus raised his hand awkwardly. The instructor ignored him, continuing, "The human's primary hunting strategy is pursuit-predation. They outlast their prey. They run until the target collapses from exhaustion. Imagine a species that doesn't stop chasing you. That does not quit. That. Professor?" Marcus tried again. Vrail finally looked at him, exasperated. "Yes, human cadet Marcus." "What is it?" Marcus scratched the back of his head. "Sir. I'm literally sitting right here." The entire class froze. An Arachne cadet's 8 eyes widened. A Bronter hissed, claws scraping against the floor. A Zorvian student instinctively curled its tail around itself. Even Professor Vrail blinked, something Ethrin only did when shocked. You are a Deathworld apex predator," blurted a Sirachian cadet, visibly trembling. "You walk freely among us?" Marcus looked confused. "I mean, yeah. I'm just here to study xenobiology." Vrail cleared his throat, his crystalline form flickering slightly. "Ahem. Yes, class. As I was saying, humans evolved to endure extreme environments and hostile fauna. Their bodies are remarkably adaptable. Their psychology is uniquely suited for dangerous circumstances." The Bronter slowly raised a trembling claw. "Is it true," it whispered, "that humans fight creatures 10 times their mass, with sticks?" Marcus shrugged. "Sometimes rocks too. Depends what's lying around." Half the class nearly fainted. A Xiran cadet leaned toward Marcus cautiously. "Is it true you chase prey for hours without rest?" Marcus laughed softly. "We call it jogging." Vrail interjected, voice sharper now, "Humans also possess a pain tolerance far beyond most sapient species. They sustain injuries that would incapacitate others, but continue functioning." Marcus, without thinking, nodded. "Yeah, last week I sprained my ankle in training. Walked it off." The Bronter audibly whimpered. Vrail sighed. "Cadets, this is a rare opportunity. Ask your questions. The human will answer." What followed was a flurry of horrified fascination. "You hunt for fun? You willingly approach predators? You domesticated pack hunters by befriending them? You swim in waters you know have apex predators?" Marcus answered each one, genuinely confused why these were shocking. To Marcus, Earth was normal. To the rest of the galaxy, Earth was a nightmare biome where life fought tooth and nail to exist, and humans were the result of that relentless evolutionary pressure. When the lecture finally ended, the alien cadets gave Marcus a wide berth, not out of fear, but out of profound respect. They whispered to each other about endurance, adaptability, and the terrifying persistence of a species that not only survived a death world, but thrived on it. Professor Vrail approached Marcus afterward. "Human cadet, you have given my class perspective today." Marcus smiled. "Glad I could help, sir." Vrail hesitated. "If I were on your world, would I survive?" Marcus thought seriously for a moment. "Probably. As long as you don't wander off a trail. Or touch anything colorful. Or go near water. Or caves. Or the forests. Or fields. Or mountains. Or..." Vrail raised a crystalline hand. "That is enough." Marcus laughed. The aliens did not. In that moment, the Academy understood something deeply, profoundly unsettling. Deathworld predators were terrifying. But the humans who walked beside them? Even more so.